Hi everyone, these quiz codes are from Mometrix, National Council's Mental Health Counseling Exam quiz questions. These codes are good until July 2024, actually the end of the month on the 31st. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you do so. Hit the like and subscribe button. That way you can get the notifications when the actual new codes come out in August. Already, this month is flying. This year is flying. These quiz code questions are good until the end of the month. You can skip questions, you can go back to them, you can use them on the computer or on your phone. They're very accessible. If you have any questions about how to use the quiz codes, please look at the previous videos and give you information about how to use the codes and the quiz app that you need to do it. So, happy studying!